Oh, let's press this thing. Oh, it goes forward. Let's get back. Wait. Oh, wow. Now, what is this? A wheel. Oh, I can see the wheels moving. So let's see what can we do, okay? Wow! It's just... Let's move it round. For a move. Oh no. Okay. Okay, move for a knee. He's dancing, guys. It's my turn now. Oh, you try, friend. Wow. Well, what is this car, guys? Wow. Wow. Friend is so fast. Yeah, friend. Let's see the wheel. Come on, friend. Let's put this just right here. Open the book. Come on. Friend, what the? It has green color wheels and a wheel over.
Yeah, we spin that.
It's a monster truck, I think so, Franny.
Yeah, monster.
There's a blue light inside. You can see, Fran.
Yeah, that's a light.
And there's a steering wheel, guys. See? Yes, over here in there. Steering wheel. And this is the car, guys. Is it cool? Yeah.
Now put it there. It's light.
It's a big monster truck, guys. Wow, the wheels are spinning. See? It can. See, is it good? So bye-bye, guys. This is the car. Boom.